Hi. So this is a Excel file, right? To help you manage your credit business, and I have named it as empty purse because you don't have to pay when you have to buy, so your purse is empty. So that's how this name comes. So the payment is done at a particular rate of interest during a period of time. So let's see how this works. So we have got 4 tabs: the dashboard, customer, purchase, and payment. So we have a new customer coming in, so we list down all the new customers over here. So I see I've already have some dummy customers created, and there are around 300 customers. So let me create one more customer. Mr. Rice Price is the name of the customer. His address is Belly Gully. His city is Plano. State Texas. And we have zip, some phone number. You got another phone number. You got Rice Price email address. You got his fax, and you're doing the business in the US country. So we created a rice customer. His name is Rice Price. So we go to, he comes to purchase a product for you from. So here I've created lot of entries. So let's create one more entry, right? 5/1/2, and the date is 4/12/2017. Now who's the customer? The Rice Price, right? So he's probably come here and he see his address, everything shows up. Okay, that's great. So Rice Price is a customer. So you create the customer once and you add him as many times as you want. And the product cost price was $500. The sale price was $505. You apply a 2% interest, and the amount to be paid is $515.10 for that particular year. So the orange color cells means you cannot edit it. It is automatically calculated and populated. So the customer has taken the product, you made a record. So later on a future date, he comes and makes a payment. So let's say there's a payment tab. So here you record. So you ask for his invoice number. The invoice number is 301. So 301, he makes a payment of $100 on 2017. Then against the same invoice, he comes on another day, he makes a payment of $50, and that's on, say, 1 week from that period, 2017. So you see he has made 2 transactions on 2 particular dates. So I go back and see how much has that customer paid so far. So there's some problem Why? Payment range. Is there a problem? So let's see. Formulas, name manager. Oh, it's 512. Oh, the transaction was, invoice number was wrong. So, and that's what was my problem, you see. So when I see, so I have to put the correct invoice number, and here you see it shows that it's paid $150 and the pending amount is $365.10. So let's say for some reason I waive it off, and the amount to be paid is 0. And that's how I maintain this particular transaction. When the customer comes in, if he is already existing, I don't have to enter a value. But if he does not exist, I create a record for him. I create an invoice for him. Whenever he makes a payment, I add his payment over here. It gets reflected correctly over here. And in the dashboard, I see the total amounts till date. So total invoices, this is not supposed to be dollar. So let's make it general, right? So these are the total number of invoices. This is the amount that is to be paid till date. This is the total amount paid so far of this amount, total amount waived, and total pending. So $27,000, 869. So $27,869.44 is still awaiting in payments, inclusive of all interest. So that's how this empty purse works. Thank you.